Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarika and you're watching Creative Sarika. So one of my viewers asked me to make a video on passion, okay? And to discuss about my perspective, what I think about passion and following passion. Here I am making a video on passion. So my today's topic is, should we follow passion or not? Is following passion all right or not? If you ask me, then I would say that following passion is a terrible advice. Whoever says that, oh, you got only one life, enjoy your life, follow your passion, do whatever you want, please don't follow them, okay? If you really want success in your life, if you really want your life to be happy and well growing, if you want success in your life, if you want name, fame, don't follow your passion. That's what I think, and why I am saying this, you will get to know very, very soon. For those who don't know what is passion, passion is something that you love to do and you want it as your career. But let me just clarify one thing, that if you want success in your career, if you want your success to be well built, then you need to hard work. According to me, passion is a cringe-worthy word. I mean, passion, there is nothing called passion, okay? Each and everything needs hard work. There is nothing in this world that you can achieve without hard work. Now you must be thinking, we will work hard on things that we love. But actually, when the thing you love turns into your career, your day job, every day you're doing the same thing to earn money, every day you're doing the same damn thing, I bet you will never love that damn thing ever again in your life, how you used to love it, because that thing is your career now. You have to do that same thing again and again every day. You are forced to do that. You have to do that every day, okay? So whenever you are forced to do something, when you are forced to make money, that time you won't like that thing ever again. Right now you're liking this thing because you're not doing this same thing 24 into 7, okay? It's just one random day you're doing and you're like, oh yeah, I love it. I love doing this. I will follow this as my passion. But you know, success needs struggle. For the term success comes, you have to struggle in each and every path you are in. You love dancing, you have to dance 16 hours a day. You love drawing, you need to be perfect in each and every sketches, each and every landscape painting. You love singing, you need to take care of your voice, you need to practice hard. And if there any point that you are doing mistake, your career, your passion, your work will be flopped completely. So if you're thinking that you will follow your passion, make sure you are perfect at it, okay? Now I know that everybody is really confused that what should they do now, what they should take up as their career. So my solution is, I'm just making you aware, guys, that the thing that you might like doing it now and you want to take up as a career, you might not like it when it is your career. So I want you to choose your career wisely so that you don't regret. So what you need to do is take up a thing that you're interested in and focus on that task only, on that thing only. Work hard and be perfect on that specific thing that others find it difficult to ignore you. That whenever they will come across you, they will not be able to ignore you, that oh, you're doing this, oh my god, you're really well in this, okay? Work this much hard and make yourself this much perfect that everyone will be eager to pay you for your passion. And when you automatically get perfect in that, you will automatically start loving that work, and that's what passion actually means. When you love your work, then doing that work will be in your default system. Passion will be in your default system. That work will transfer as your passion. Passion only comes when you are perfect at that thing, when you love to do it every day, every moment. That's what passion means. That doesn't mean what are you doing right now, what are you liking right now, and you will take it as a passion and regret after taking it as your career. That's a very wrong step. That's not your passion. Passion comes when you are perfect at it, when you are loving your work. It's your default system. If you are still confused, I will suggest that do a desirable job. Now, what is a desirable job? Desirable job is a combination of creativity, fun, impactful, and demanding. The work that is full of creativity, that is impactful to the society. If your work doesn't have demands, if you're working and nobody is demanding, nobody is eager to watch you, eager to buy those things, then it's of no use. So choose your career wisely. It has to be creative, impactful, fun, and demanding. When this four comes as a combination, it is called rare and valuable. That's what make you rare and valuable. Everyone will watch you and like, oh, what is she doing? What is it doing? This is really rare. Then they will be overwhelmed and astonished by your idea, by your passion, that oh my god, it's so different, it's so rare, it's so valuable. How did you take up this? So that's a desirable job. Now it's completely your decision that what will you take up as your career. But remember, whatever you do, you need to work hard on it, be perfect on it, and you need to struggle at first. But after all, it will turn in your passion one day. So that was it for my today's video. I hope you don't have any problem understanding what I said. And if you have any queries, then ask me in my comment section. If you want to suggest any other topics, I will absolutely make a video on that topic. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.